Shemai! Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to have a really nice cozy session to look after our bodies and make us feel happy and calm and maybe lead us in for a nice rest or perhaps a little nap or something like that. So if you'd like to get super comfortable, maybe getting some soft things on the floor or wrapping up nice and warm because it's getting a bit chilly outside, isn't it? And if you have a few pillows, these might come in handy today. We're going to get extra squishy on the floor, do some nice deep breathing and have a really nice calm stretchy session today. Okay, so grab a couple of pillows and anything else squishy you want, maybe a blanket or a teddy or anything like that, and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do today is get our pillows and we're going to build a line on the floor. So let's see if we can do this. So I'm going to put one here and one here, and you do this as well at home. Place your cushions, either you might have big ones like this or even little ones, and build a long line like this. And let's just feel for a second how squishy these can be. And then when you're ready, let's stand up onto the feet, and we're going to feel the squishiness of the pillows with our feet and our toes. So we're going to walk along the line together. So, one foot at a time. Feel the squishiness underneath your feet. Is it harder to balance on the floor? Or is it really, really fun? And let's go back the other way. Squishing with our feet. Good. Now maybe let's try it with our hands and our knees, crawling across, really feeling the squish underneath your body. Crawling along the line. Lovely. What about this time if we roll? Can you lie down on your tummy? Like this. Can you roll across? Feeling the pillows on your tummy, nice and squishy. Rolling from side to side. Very good. What else can we do with these pillows? Why don't we try stacking them on top of each other? Can you do that? One on top of the other. Make a nice little pile here. And if you can go on your knees, I'm going to give our pillows a big hug. So curling over into a little ball, can you hug your pillows? Like you're having a little nap in a ball on your pillows. Just give them a big hug. And just rest here. You can close your eyes and listen to the music and give your pillow a hug and just enjoy being cuddled up here in a little cooch with your pillows. Maybe you want to bring a little teddy to join you here. You can all get cuddled up. Perhaps you could try a different position cuddling your pillows, just getting nice and calm and cozy. And then find a way to sit up where you feel super comfortable. So you can sit on your pillows and ready to do some breathing and stretching, or you could put them on one side and the other and squish yourself in the middle, so it's like a little cushion sandwich. There we go. And once you're really comfy, we'll start doing some nice deep breathing. So I would like you to breathe in with me. Ready? We're going to go in. And can you breathe out? Good. See if you can hear your breath. Breathe in. And breathe out. Lovely. Would you like to do this with your hands as well? Breathe in. And breathe out. Good. Breathe in. Maybe your arms stretch all the way up to the sky. And breathe out all the way down, wiggling down like the rain. Breathe in, reaching up to the sky. And breathe out, let your arms float back down. Again, breathe in, stretch up, and breathe out. Good, one more time, breathe in, getting bigger and bigger, and breathe out. Lovely. Let's do something else with our arms now as we carry on with our breathing. This time I'd like you to imagine that you're gathering up lots and lots of fairy dust or something like that. Bringing it all in like this. And then as you breathe out, I'd like you to blow it. Like that. Okay? Let's do that together. Are you ready? Breathe in, gather it all up. Breathe out. Like you're blowing a kiss. Blowing this fairy dust all over the room. Again, breathe in. Gather it all up. Breathe out. Beautiful. One last time. Breathing in. Breathe out. Lovely. And can you give yourself a big hug? Good. And stretch out your whole body like a big yawn. And give yourself a hug. And stretch out. Like a big yawn. Good. And one last cuddle. Lovely. And relax. Good. We're going to give ourselves a little bit of a massage now, and you're going to do this yourself. So let's warm up the hands a little bit, rubbing them together, getting them nice and warm. The palms of the hands and the backs as well, like you're washing your hands. Get them nice and warm. And then, can you wiggle one arm? Good. Now this arm, we're going to give it a bit of a stroke. So can you use your hand, just stroke your arm all the way up and down. Good. And the other side of your arm as well. Lovely. Can you do the back of your neck, just nice and softly, gently stroking your skin? Good. And what about your face? You can close your eyes if you like. Just nice and gentle. And adults, you can help your little ones here if you like, just feeling the calmness. Good. And a little wiggle of the fingertips on the top of the head. And then we'll do the other arm this time. So can you do your other arm, stroking all the way up and down. Give both sides of the arm. Lovely. And then can you do circles on your tummy? Lovely. And what about your back? It's quite hard to do your back. So why don't you do this with your partner? Little ones, if you turn around and give your adult your back, and adults, we're just going to gently stroke, just calming them down. You can close your eyes, just focus on your breath and feel how nice it is. Good. And I think it's time to switch. So adults, you can give your back to your little ones now. And we're going to give our mums or dads or our big person here, just give them a nice gentle stroke. Lovely. On the back, like this. Nice. And then to say thank you, should we have a nice big hug? I'm going to hug my pillow because I don't have a partner. But give them a big hug and say thank you. That was lovely. Good. And then we will face the front. And just one last time, let's give yourself a big squeeze. And a big stretch. All the way up to the sky. Very good. So I hope after today's session that you are feeling a little bit stretched and calm, giving yourself a bit of love, and perhaps your partner as well, giving them a bit of TLC, tender loving care. And I hope that you have a really nice rest of your day and the week ahead of you.